let's talk about how to properly format dialogue in your screenplay. Dialogue always appears indented toward the center of the page, not fully centered, but narrower than the action lines. This spacing makes it easier to read and separates the spoken words from everything else on the page. So if you are using a software like Final Draft, Writer Do It, or Caltex, then the spacing is done automatically. But it's still worth understanding what is actually happening here. Each block of dialogue is built from 3 parts. First is the character's name, which is written in all caps, indented slightly from the left margin. Second, an optional parenthetical placed directly beneath the name in lowercase to show how the line is delivered. You don't always need one of these, but they are handy. And third is the dialogue itself, which is indented a little further down from both sides. Here's how it might look on the page. Sarah, and then in parentheticals, whispering, "I told you not to move, not to say a word, and definitely not to open that door until I said it's safe. Do you understand me?" See how the dialogue stretches across most of the space between the margins, but still leaves a gap on both sides. That is the standard width for dialogue. It is narrower than action lines, but wide enough to read comfortably. Screenwriting software formats this automatically, but understanding why helps you spot mistakes later. And if the line is spoken off screen or as a voiceover, then you include that beside the name, such as Sarah OS. I told you not to touch that. Each new speaker always gets their own dialogue block. Never combine 2 character lines in the same paragraph, and if a line is interrupted by an action, then break it naturally like this. Sarah, I told you not to. The window shatters. Sarah, continued, touch that. That makes it clear it's still her line, just interrupted by action. So remember, character name in caps and slightly indented. Optional parenthetical under that, and dialogue indented a little bit further in. And each new speaker gets a new block. This layout keeps your script balanced, easy to read, and instantly clear about who is speaking. And that is how to properly format dialogue in a screenplay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.